Let's have a look at how to make an AI cover in less than 1 minute. Step 1. Search for a song that you'd like to use. Great. Step 2. Now download it as MP3. Perfect. Step 3. Now go to Google and type in X and choose the second link. Step 4. Now you need to upload the song that you chose. While you're waiting, make sure you subscribe and like for more videos like this one. Then download both vocals and instrumental. Step 5. When you have done that, go to musicfy.lol and click the button Create a Song. Step 6. Now you have to upload your vocals and select the artist, then press Convert. Step 7. Press the button Download and now you have your converted vocals. Did you really think it was that easy to do when you saw this video? Let me know down in the comments. Step 8. To add your vocals on top of the instrumentals you've downloaded, use any editing tool. For example, Audacity. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.